What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to highlight blog post author comments into your WordPress website just like this for free into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use international sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen next to search plugins, we're gonna type WP code, just like this. This is a very useful plugin for your WordPress website, so it have a lot of needs for you. WP code, insert headers, footers, and custom code snippets, WordPress Code Manager. Click on install now, then click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your WordPress website. Just scroll down and review the WordPress left sidebar of menus. Next to settings, you're gonna be able to find code snippets. Hover a mouse over it and click on add snippet. We're gonna add your custom code, new snippet. Click on add custom snippet. Comment author. So you can apply a title for this code snippet. Now we're gonna place this code. I'm gonna leave this code into the comment on this video, so review the comment section so you can copy that, or you can pause the video to copy. Okay, just let me fix this by changing from the code type from HTML to PHP snippet. So from line 1 to 11, from line 12 to 23 or 22, from line 22 to 29. Okay, you can copy this by pausing the video or use the comment section to copy the code. Auto insert, run everywhere. Now all I have to do is review the upper right corner of my screen. Save on library, inactive, we're gonna change this for active by this little switcher, and save the snippet. Now if an author comments into a blog post, okay, so reply another person comment, you're gonna be able to see a design just like this one right here. Okay, simple, effective, and works for free. And of course you can customize the code snippets using the CSS in the case that you want. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or outreach right here. Okay. In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best.